As the sea recedes, people start moving forward from the shoreline. Cautiously at first, then finding themselves on a strip of land that stretches from the main Jindo Island to the much smaller Modo, nearly 3 kilometers away. The story goes that a family left behind their grandmother when they were chased away from the island by tigers. Grandma Bong prayed to be reunited, and magically the seas parted, creating a path across the seabed that her family used to come back for her. So the legend was born. Playing on both the natural phenomenon and local folklore, the community has created a festival around the event that grows in popularity. It translates from the Korean as Miracle Sea Road. Just half an hour ago, this stretch of seabed was below the water. Half an hour from now, it will be submerged once more, and the miracle will be over. All the more reason to enjoy it while it lasts. For Kim Gi-son and her 3 children, this is the first time they've come here.
It's really amazing, and showing it to the children is good for them.
Then, as quickly as they departed, the waters return, this time the people receding. Back to dry land until the next time. Rob McBride, Jindo Island, South Korea.
Peace and love, y'all. My name's Nyiam. Today I'll be working a remote viewing session on the whiteboard. This is an online validation target. I'm completely blind to this target, so I'm going to work through this on the whiteboard, and hopefully we get some interesting results. 100224. Simplex. Get some wet, man-made, static. 100224. Simplex. Hard. Man-made. Static. 100224. Simplex. Get flexible. Man-made. Static. I'm going to probe these ideograms for visuals and low-level data. 100224. Sounds. Again, blowing. Smells. Like dirt, land. Temperatures. Get hot. 100224. Sounds. I get a blowing. Smells. Land. Outdoor smells. Hot. 100224. I'm seeing this shape kind of like this. Long and extended, has a feature here. Some other shapes down there. Sounds. Hissing, blowing. Hiss, blow. Temperatures. Hot. Textures would be hard, angular. Might be some wet there too. Okay, so for my S3, I have land. So there's land there. I see these like arching type shapes. I had this shape that feels more like this, blowing. It's something that was maybe like a fabric or something blowing in the wind type feel. Hiss. Some particulate, some vegetation, bumpy, hard, particulate, vegetation, some type of land, features, structure that feels like this. So structure one, land one. I'm going to call this air one because of the blowing. And there may even be some water here. So I'm going to call this water one. So we have land one, water one, air one, and maybe two structures. So I'm going to have to take a look and see exactly what's going on here. Okay, so let's go land one. See if we can get visual contact here. Land one. LAND 1. Land one. Okay, land here. Then there's something, I don't know, there's something here. Some kind of obstacle, something here. And then over here, I get the sense of a structure. Some kind of structure over here. Kind of like that. Sounds. I get a blowing sound. I get the word like crossing. Some kind of boundary. Textures would be like, might be some wood, something that's crisscrossing here. This feels more on the rural side. Textures out here would be like vegetation. In here would be, okay, it's more like man-made over here, it feels like. Yeah, natural and man-made elements. Structure, something here, land. Out here, seems like more vegetation out here. Maybe some things off in the distance. But that's what I'm getting here for the land. And it almost has kind of like a monument type feel, like the land. Monument, or like preserved. Almost like preserved. Something about this feels preserved. Alright, so that's what I'm getting for the land. Vegetation. Vegetation off in the distance, like trees. Structures here. And land off in the distance. And I get the sense of blowing, crossing, boundary. Almost like a preserved type feel. So, that's what I'm getting for that. Okay, I saw something that was like a barrier, or it was like blocking something. I want to get a visual of what that is. I see it's like an open area here, and then there's like a something like this. I see like a divide right there. And I get crossing, over bridge, overboard. Yeah, I get crossing. It's like a bridge or something. Textures would be is there a, there might be something here. Kind of like that. It feels man-made. Yeah, there might be ropes, cables, ropes. Somewhere you can cross. A bridge, a overpass. So I'm getting there. Somewhere you can cross. A bridge, a overpass.